Welcome to Stone Hands, to the hands of stone, the art of persuasion. We are social beings who interact with other people. And sometimes we are in need of something, in need of money, in need of attention, in need of love. So we need to ask. But asking is not about having something for yourself, but asking is actually making an offer to other person. For example, when I asked my wife to be my wife, will you marry me? I did not ask something from her. I actually made her an offer to be my wife. It was an offer to update her perspective of her marital status. So, the art of speaking is about being straightforward, being concrete, but at the same time, being soft with our speech. Using beautiful vocabulary, being poetic about our expressions, so we could convey a message about the blue skies and the eternal sunshine when we were over there, when we were abroad, when we had a nice time, when we were in our summer house. These are expressions that convey a meaning that life is always a leisure and a pleasure. And when we do our work, it is part of our lifestyle, part of giving out an exchange of great information and also a vocabulary that life is pleasant. If I would say I'm a hard-working man, I work to pay my bills, it's a beautiful message, of course, that I'm a hard-working man. But if I'm saying that, then I'm feeling all the time stressed and burdened by life. But if I'm saying, yes, I was enjoying my time and I built this house and building our house was such a pleasure. I had some help, but most of the work I did with my own bare hands was the most enriching experience in my life. You see the difference? Or if I said, oh, I was struggling, I was going through depression when I was working the house each day from 8 to 5, I was just struggling, and sometimes I worked out into the night and my relationship deteriorated. I lost some meaning in life, but I was still focused. It's a totally different message that I am giving out to my own body. Yes, the things that I am saying to the public are the things that I am saying to myself. So when I'm persuasive, for example, we have a course coming up, how to live a rich life with the aid of one's voice. Whoa, that's persuasive. How can I solve your problem? How I can be in service? How can I make you feel wanted? I have the tools that you could be wanted, you could be respected, you could be strong in your speech. I know how to make you clearly understood. and I can help you. This is persuasion. And I am right when I'm saying those things to you. I am right when I'm asking those questions. I have a curiosity. How can I be in service to you through my channel? Let me know in the comments, and I will obey your task. Yes, indeed. I will follow your advice, because your advice is a reflection to me, not vice versa. I'm not asking a favor from you. I am asking your attention so I could be in a greater service to you. So persuasion is about asking questions and making complicated things simple, and clearly believing to the things that we are saying. When I'm willing to articulate the things that I believe in, then you feel empowered, you feel encouraged, and you sense this ability that you can climb a mountain, you can swim in a cold sea, like the sea in my background. It's cold. Because I believe in it. I can swim there. Would you swim with me if I dare to overcome my own obstacles? When I don't believe I am able to dance, all I have to do is to be persuasive. Just have to take my wife and dance with her. It's not about my skills, but it's about my confidence. And my confidence gives me the skills. Skills sometimes help to increase the confidence. But more I have learned about singing, voicing and toning and speaking, I've understood that it's all about confidence. The skill follows the confidence. Of course, I have dimmed my skills to a high degree. And the only thing that I have learned is confidence is the basis, is the foundation, is the pillar for the art of speaking and for the art of persuasion. Like a few days ago, I was in a building equipment store in a warehouse, and I was buying lime mortar, and I was purchasing all of their stock. So of course I made an offer after that. How much discount will you give me as I'm buying all of the stock that you have? Why I should not ask that? Because I am making a favor. I am buying a high amount of their products. Of course they will make me a discount. Of course they will try to serve me the best way possible. Because I am serving them in the best way possible. I am taking all that they have. So they are obliged to make a favor for me, because I am making a favor for them. And that is the art of asking and the art of persuasion in a nutshell. Because I am making a favor for you when I am asking something from you. And you are obliged to make a favor for me. Most people cannot say no, so it's good to ask something from them. And a little tip, when you are offering a product, then go aim for the top of a company CEO because they have more money and they will be more motivated to come along with your crazy idea. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time, subscribe, and let's hang out more.